Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Good, where are we? I think there was one thing that Cabal raised, that apparently some changes have this macro as a guard. Some, yeah, uh-huh. That music is not good. Let me see. TX8, okay. Okay, I think that's fine. CNC. Right now I don't see much of a problem here. I think it's okay. Mutex. M4. Yeah. View detect, blah blah. Yeah, I'm not so worried about that. I think that's okay. Good. So let's see if there's anything that we need to update here. Man, the music choices I make here are not good. I just need some ambient music. That's it. Good. So what do we have here? I would say review approved. Review approved. So we have Baptistas, this guy here. So how about we go here to fetch and prune, and then we take this, then we do a pull, then we compile that, and then we run it once. Okay. Let's wait for that. Drop zone, craze disappear into cliffs. Couldn't find specific issue reported, but I know it's been a long time problem. There's a curve. See, bugged. Okay, I guess that's because they hit the terrain. Yeah. Potential fix here is to have the cargo plane fly not lower than its expected drop, not lower than its minimum required drop height above the drop zone elevation, so that it does not fly down valleys. Does the drop from too far below. Bug minor, you say. Good. So compilation has succeeded. Okay, fantastic. Then let's run this and see if there are any issues that we could see. I expect that everything will be fine, but let's double check. So we see the shell map. Yeah, okay, that looks fine. Let's open our favorite mass unit test map. So that is, where is it? Here, this one. Start is China, medium USA. Let's go. Okay, let's take here the units. Attack. Attack. Okay, the lag is pretty big here. Okay, so everything is attacking. Yeah, the helixes do a fantastic job dying. ECM tank is disabling, very professional, but not very effective. Yeah. ECM tanks have a powerful beam here. The range seems pretty large. The effect also looks a bit strange, doesn't it? Does that look normal? I don't know. I can't tell right now if this ECM beam looks normal or not. It looks a bit strange. I'm not sure. Let me look at it again. Oh, it looks okay. I'm not sure if... Oh, would have to be compared, I guess. It doesn't look too wrong, but it looks weird in a way. I don't know. Oof. Oh, then you can. Oh. Let's move the new cannon over here. Oof. Okay, but no crashes. Things appear to work. Oof. Oof. Well, that didn't do much. Oh, something is wrong with the bomber image here. Killed the German. Okay, anything else you can test? Maybe some super weapons here. Let's try the particle. Okay, cool. It rips through. Very nice. Then let's try the Scud Storm. Yeah. Shoot on here. Let's move the guys here out of the way. Okay, cool. Then I try another Scud Storm here, this one. Let's shoot it here on the button. Oh, he can't escape. He can't escape. Shoot this way out. Oh, well, he tried. He would have died anyway, so that's all right. Okay, cool. Then let's fire some nuke missiles as well. Very good. Very good. Let's try this one here. Oh, it's already being taken care of. Let's try this one here under the helix. Let's steal a car first. Oh, hijacker died. And the helix. Oh, everything died here. Ah, beautiful. Okay, the view is blocked by the missile. It's very yellow, yeah. Cool. Good. This looks very solid. Let's sell some buildings here, yeah. Okay. Let's buy some upgrades. Let's shoot here on our buildings. Okay. Good. Let's exit. Let's load some GLA mission here, medium. Skip this. Okay. Let's watch a cutscene here, yeah. Very realistic. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. There's real chaos here. Okay. Okay. How about we let's try to navigate the limousine through this mission. Oh, it takes a lot of damage though. Let's see if we can drive to the end of the mission without any... Oh, it's getting blocked here. Come on. Get through. Yeah. Oh. Oh, this will be tough. No, I think it will die. Oof. Big loss here. Oh my gosh. Okay, but at least we know that the fail condition works. Okay, cool. I think I would say we are good to go here on this change. The game launches. It does work in principle, so how about we merge this now? I tested mass unit fights. Loaded into campaign mission. To Chile campaign mission. Game worked. Maybe we can also launch one network match. Just a sandbox network match. Okay, so we go here, multiplayer network. Great game. Put here one hard army in there. And we load into network match. And that's it. Okay. Then we build here barracks. Make your instant builds, which doesn't work. Why not? Shouldn't the cheat work? I thought we allowed to cheat here. Good. Surrender. Oh, unlucky. Unlucky today here. Good. I think that's fine. Load it into network. Sandbox match. Game works. Good. We'll merge this now. Refactor, modernize null to null PTR. Let's go. Good. We got that, and then that, and that, and that, and we are good to go. Good. Now refactor is merged. From now on, all null will be from now on. We no longer write null, but null PTR. Good. Then, with that out of the way, let's see what's next in store. Guess we can do this one. Good. So it's kind of location. So what's the state on this one? Script contains multiple conditions for teams defined multiple times. Does that make sense? Contains multiple conditions for teams defined multiple times. I will just merge it. How about that? So, fix script dialog text spelling mistakes and errors. Bug fix, bug minor script text word builder. Fix. Good. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Confirm squash and merge. Good. Okay. Good. Then next, let me see. Next, we can probably merge these two, maybe. Let me do X crash. Is it invalid name? What's this done? Reproduce in generals. Needs to be replicated in generals. Okay, and this one, I think there's also still work left. This one was also not yet polished. This still needs. It still has an open to-do item. Good. Let me see. Author myself. Ask for review. Review place. This one should be easy to review. Good. Then regarding these guys, and so repeat codes, okay. Looks fine. Maybe cache the value here. Okay, refactor height map get origin. Okay, let's go to main branch. Oh boy. So this will be adventurous now. We need to do a pull rebase. Which will modify pretty much every file. And then let's go to refactor height map get origin. Refactor height map get origin. There we go. Good. So. So he wants wants me to mx minus 1. Let's do const real last x but is that really correct? Yeah, it is correct because mx never changes. Yeah, we should be able to do that. Last y. Okay. Then we take that. Maybe a different name we could choose, like y max, maybe max y. Okay, for some reason I can't open the context menu here. There we go. Hello. Oh my gosh. Max y. Let's try that. Okay. Cache mx minus 1 my minus 1. Okay, then add script tile just to be sure. Let's to have an AI review here on this guy. Good. Then we wait for that. And then here, what do we need to do? Might be less error prone to make a helper function to take in ij blah blah and set pvp and feed data. Same thing here is done. See. Yeah. Okay. He wants to have a refactor. Okay. Sure. Let's do that. Optimize height map buffers. Optimize height map buffers. There we go. Oh, there's a conflict here. Do we have a conflict here as well? No. Does this one have a conflict? No. Okay, but this one does, so let's do an update. Rebase. Okay, I think it just overwritten here. Okay, there we go. Fair enough. Okay, and then let's search for this guy. Xmax. Xmin Xmax. Maybe we should give it these names in the other change. Let me go back to this one. Let's rename this to Xmax like the other place. Man, I can't refactor for some reason. Okay. Looks like we need to do it by hand. Xmax. Ymax. Good. Refactor to be consistent. Rename variables to be consistent with other places, other code in this class. Okay, then let's get back to the buffers. So okay, good. Then how about we create a function? Yeah, where we do buffer tiles. Yeah, get VP, get vertex buffer. Buffer tile. I think what we do is we create a new function here. Protected. get x. Yeah, let's add a function here. Here. Get vertex buffer tile, and then we give it int x, int y. Yeah. And x and y, yeah, okay. And then that is pretty straightforward. We just copy this guy here. Then this is y, and this is x. And this, we can also make it const. And then we have a vertex, yeah. Vertex. So, vertex buffer backup, get vertex buffer backup, xy, and then we need this. Maybe we should move it into the dynamic glide frame map resource. Let's put it here. Return we are missing here. Okay, return, and then here we do oh boy, where's the const expr? Here, const expr. Then here we have y, and here we have x, and here we have that, and that, and that. Okay. And then I think that's it. Okay, and then here we remove that, and here we remove that. Now, a question I have now, can it actually be const? I think it can't be const because we are returning non-const. Yeah, this doesn't work, so we have to make it not const. There you go. That should work. Good. So that should allow us to give now here get VB vertex buffer tile ij, and here get vertex buffer backup ij. There we go. There we go. Fantastic. Good. And here we do the same. Now the question is, are there more of these kinds? Let's search for vertex buffer backup. There's another one here, but that's different. Okay. Yeah, okay, so there's these two places, and I think that's good enough. All right. Good, I think that's fine. Good, let's see it then compiles. Okay, so this one would be ready to merge soon. And this would be ready after build syntax. Oh, it should be const int. Right. Right. See, did a mistake there. Okay, let's wait for the compilation. Let me test this guy. See if the terrain still works. Good. Let's run this. Good. This should be easy to test. Just look at the shell map and it looks good. Yep. The terrain is present. Yeah, good. Then we're good here. Okay. Then I would say stage. Add functions, buffer time, backup, commit. Okay, and push. Okay. Then let's go here. Roger. Refactored. Okay. Then do another GrabTile AI review. Okay, then we also need to fix this here again. This one. Let's also rebase it. And then, right, this is not correct. Find all is not found. Right, this is integer. Int. Okay, let's compile this guy and double check that it also looks correct. Fix var type. Right, fixed. Good. Let's do a re-review. Now, very diligent here. Every step will have to be tested. No errors. No errors. So, oh, generals fails to compile. Oh, we still need to replicate it. Ah, okay. I forgot that. Let's go back to our buffers. But first we need to test this guy here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, looks good. Then let's get to this one again and let's replicate this to generals. Replicate in generals. There we go. And there is some conflict. Vertex buffer, okay. Wait, what are we looking for again? I forgot already. Here, this one, vertex buffer class. Let's search for this one. Does vertex buffer class not exist in generals? It does. It's in core. Oh, it's in. Huh? It's not in core. Huh? No, it's not in core. Where is it? Oh, where is it? Vertex buffer class. Generals. Here. There we go. There we go. Yeah. So, what is the problem here? Oh, it looks very different. Huh. Interesting. Huh. It looks very different, interestingly. Vertex buffer class. So this one goes. Huh, constructor is also protected. Interesting. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah. Then how about we write it like this? Is that fair? Oh, that's a different class. It's what? That's a different class. Oh. Okay, let's revert all this shit again. I just realized that's the one. Haha. Okay. So we add the destructor there, and then we add these two here. Okay, I think that would do. Okay, that should do. Excellent. Okay. Replicate in generals. Good. Let's see. Da-da. Oh. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's a fair point here. That's a fair point. Aha. That I didn't see. Okay. Let's see that. Where is it? Yeah. Height map. So it's being allocated, but that's a okay. Here's operator new, yeah, okay, and then what? Operator new. Where's delete? Here. Oh. Well, that's a good question. Why did I write it like this? Why didn't I just write new? Would that not work? Here with the brackets? Oh, that doesn't work. New. Okay. That doesn't work. Expected a type specifier. Uh-huh. That's a good question. So we use bracket operator delete to delete it, but we created it with just new and give it the size. Yeah, okay. Yeah, there's a mismatch. But then, so this one is I mean, it doesn't really matter what we allocate with, right? That's well, I think the delete is wrong. We have to use operator delete. Yeah, because it's just one. It's not an array type, array allocation, because we just placement new in it manually. That's it. Yeah, I think this way is correct. Good. Then let's try that again. Yeah. Fix new, delete mismatch. Fixed. Replicated in generals with conflicts. Add Griptile AI again. Okay. Good. Let's see. Good. Let's see what this one says now. This one was successful. Okay. Fantastic. Fantastic. Refactored coordinate transformation. Okay. Very good. Very good. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Good. Then this one is good. This one was already good before. And then we wait for this guy. Yeah, here I need a review. I would like to merge this. I would like to merge all of these here. This one as well. I would like to merge these 5 changes, please. And move on with it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Replicate in generals with conflicts. Mm-hmm. Good. Good. What's the time? 1 hour. 8. I'll probably take a break zone after this looks to be good. Yeah. And then next session. What do we do next session? What do we do next session? We were. I think we should do some reviewing. Yeah, a little bit of reviewing. And hopefully merge some of these things here. We do have a review on this. Let's see. Do we need this blank line? Let me see. What is this? Okay. Okay, I can remove that. Where's it? Core config. Is it this one? No. This one. Utility.cmake? No. Here, this one. There we go. Remove blank line. Access line. Commit. Push. Good. Fixed. Good, then let's see what's going on here. We can put a checkbox here. So, allocation uses operator new, vertex buffer object, new vertex for backup data, deallocation, operator delete, blah blah blah, array index, blah blah, changes, blah. PR is safe to merge with minimal risk. Refactoring is well executed with correct memory management patterns throughout. All allocation deallocation pairs are properly matched. New as delete. Pointer, arithmetic, and helper functions is correct. All access patterns have been consistently updated and bounce checking is maintained through existing loop guards. Previous review concerns about new delete mismatch have been addressed. Blah, 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 blah. Good. Then if this compiles, then from my side, this is ready. Good. Then I think we are ready here. I will take a break. Potential fixing similar issues, current plans, drags units across ground. That works too, yeah. Yep, okay. Do we need this blank line removed? Good. Then I think we are done here. Optimize data, optimize, simplify. Okay. Good. Then, yeah, then we'll take a break here. Wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.